Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's wrong and preparing the system. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation to see the message and current edition. Once done, note whether Windows shows a product key, digital license, or expiration date so you know your path. Make a quick backup of critical files and create a system restore point so you can undo changes if activation tools or keys behave unexpectedly. This prevents data loss while you fix activation. Next, you perform the repair actions that actually fix expiry notifications. If Activation Troubleshooter appears, run it and follow prompts. It often relinks digital licenses. If you have a key, open Activation, choose Change Product Key and enter it. This forces reactivation. For advanced checks, open an elevated command prompt and run slmgr. VBS commands to view license status or rearm the timer. Make sure to run only legitimate commands and understand each step to avoid accidental license loss. Finish by validating the fix and exploring one strong troubleshooting tip. Restart Windows after activation to ensure services refresh, and then confirm settings shows Windows is activated. Make sure system time, Microsoft account sign-in, and network connectivity are correct because they affect license verification. If activation still fails, gather your error codes and try signing out and back into your Microsoft account. If that doesn't help, contact Microsoft support or the vendor for license recovery. This step usually resolves stubborn activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.